Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this update we are going to check out HBAR's price chart, and right now it seems like that we are absolutely going according to the bullish track. So if you remember the last time that we talked about Hedera, we were actually right around these areas, and the idea was that we are most likely going to have some more downward price action in order to complete the subwaves for like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave impulsive structure, and that I'm gonna say pretty much played out. Now let's zoom out a bit more and see what is happening. So the idea in HBAR was that maybe a correction started from this high, and the end of it can be right in here, and we can have, for example, an A, B, C in form of either a running or maybe an expanded flat, depending on whether we are going to take the lows down here. If I just hide everything, about let's say 23 cents or not, and since we took the lows, then okay, this would fall into the category of having an A, B, C expanded flat. But here's a question: should I say right now the bottom is in with a lot of confidence? I don't really think so. Number one, there is no certainty in any market at any given moment. We are only talking about the possibilities. In fact, anybody who is telling you I am like 100% certain this or that scenario is going to happen, I promise you they are scammers, and you need to at any cost avoid them. Okay, it's very important to understand. Now, reason number two for why I'm not really confident in this area comes down to Elliott Waves. You see, if you want to say that we have hit our final low around here, then okay, naturally in terms of Elliott Waves, you need to be able to find off of the lowest slope a 5 wave on the upside, and for the sub waves, you know it, 5 up into wave 1, 3, and 5, excuse me. Okay, and for wave 2 and 4 we can have many different scenarios. It doesn't honestly really matter. Let's say, yeah, okay, an ABC into wave 4, and sure, a WXY structure into wave 2. Now let's go on the live chart and see what is happening. Excuse me. Okay, maybe it's best to go on some lower time frames and also on a better looking chart. There we go. Okay, what do we have off of the lowest low? You see, I'm actually able to identify a 1, 2, I'm gonna say probably a wave 3 to about this point, correction for 4, another move up into wave 5 to around this high, and this can be like an A, B, C in form of a flat structure or possibly even a WXY. So right out of the bat, this in my view is an optimistic sign suggesting maybe in Hedera the final low is already in. Is it enough for me to flip bullish? Not really. Why? Question: what happens after a 5 wave up? Even if you want to go according to the most bullish scenario, you know it, even according to that count, we are going to have a move on the downside. But here's a key point, pay full attention. We are actually going to have a very slow and choppy move down, and between our pullbacks up, you're just constantly able to identify overlapping of the waves. Now, if we get this thing done, okay, for like very short term, right around these areas can actually be a decent long opportunity in HBAR, in hope that we get a massive move up. And why do I say we may get a very strong move? Because on a higher degree, this can be a wave 1, correction for wave 2, and what's next? Big move up into wave 3, 4, 5. And this is a very important point. I need to see this complete 5 wave in order for me to flip bullish in Hedera. Sure, right now it seems like that we are actually on our way to complete the subwaves for it, but this doesn't mean at the moment I should be 100% bullish and call this point our final low with absolute certainty. Sure, we are seeing some optimistic signs, but again, these aren't really enough. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Hedera. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.